Good evening, everyone. So today I am going to take one beautiful concept, one beautiful concept, which is nothing but a part of our data structures and algorithms course, which is nothing but backtracking. Okay, what is the topic name? Backtracking. So, what is mean by backtracking? How we can able to work with this backtracking? We are going to discuss now. Sir, before moving to the backtracking, I need to explain some examples for you people. So consider I have a situation like, sir, I need to, uh, I have a lock is there. For example, consider I have a lock is there, something like this. One I can say it is a personal locker is there. So in this some documents, cash, everything is available. Unfortunately, this locker is locked with a lock with a key. So it is nothing but numerical key. Numerical key is there, and which is having 3 digit. Every digit in this must be in the range of 0 to 9. Like this we have. Sir, what we are going to do? First step, assume I'm guessing these numbers. First, I will try with 001. Is the locker is going to be opened or not? I'm going to check. Okay. 1 second. Right. Sir, now what is the first step? I will try with this key. If this key is not work out, then I will go with 002. If it is not working, I will go with 003. If it is not working, I will go with 004. If it is not working, I will go with 005. If it is not working, 006. If it is not working, 007. If it is not working, 008. If it is not working, 009. Now, listen my words properly. Listen my words properly. Last bit try to identify. I started from 0, sir. I started from 0 and I went up to 9. What is the next trial? 010 we will try. That means it is not next number, sir. It is not next number. So it is something like I'm doing backtracking. I'm doing backtracking. So because 0000001, these cases are not satisfied, I'm trying to change this bit. Previously this bit was 0. Now I'm going to change that bit with 1. Now I will try the remaining combinations. If it is not working for all these cases, again I will backtrack. I will change this from 01. Have you observed? So a big solution we are going to get for this process. Sir, how to solve these kind of problems? These kind of problems we can solve by using backtracking. Sir, majority of the students are going to feel backtracking is a bigger problem. Nothing, sir. No, it is something like recursion. There is no issue of writing a new line of code. Just we need to understand that code snippet and we have to write 1 or 2 logics. That's all. Sir, even maybe you have seen in our magazines or when the kids are playing, sir, rat in mass. It is also a best example for that. Have you observed? Is it a backtracking principle or not? Yes, let us take this one. Let us take this image. Let us take this image. Yes, let us take this image. Sir, are you seeing here? Sir, we have source is there, destination is there. We have source is there, destination is there. So if you observe in this rat is going to start from here. it has to reach this position. How to move? Assume the rat is coming in this style. Up to this it came. Sir, there is no way. Backtrack and move to here and then move to here and then like this. Sir, it is not the destination. Backtrack. Sir, it is not the destination. Backtrack. It is not the destination. Backtrack. So it is not the destination. Backtrack. It is the destination. We got the solution or not? Yes. Like this, we have to search, sir. Like this, we have to search. So this kind of technique is called as a backtrack. We are keep on searching for the data. If you got the data, then you can find the result. That's all. This is called as backtracking what we have. I think maybe you got clarity about this backtracking. What is mean by backtracking? Backtracking is a method by which a solution is found by, okay, exhaustively searching through a large through a large volume, okay, but finite number of steps, but a finite number of states, okay, with some boundary condition, like this. We are keep on doing searching, sir. There are n number of problems are there for this backtracking. Just now I told, right, rat in mass is one of the problem. Okay, so n queens is nothing but one of the problem. N queens, we are going to discuss about this subset problems, so permutations problems. Okay, so next and after that, towers of Hanai, have you observed in the recursion we discussed? It is also an example for backtracking. Okay, so grid based problems, like this, so many problems are there, even sudoku. Okay, all these things. But in our chapter today and tomorrow, we are going to solve some real time problems by using this backtracking. Maybe first I will start with small problems, later I will discuss sudoku, and then we are going to solve n queens problem. All these things I will explain, sir. This is nothing but intro to backtracking, but there are different types of backtracking also available. Types of backtracking problems. So what are the different types of backtracking problems? There are three types of problems are there. First one, where you can take the decision. Second problem, you have to find out optimized solution. Okay, so third one is nothing but enumeration in the sense, so all solutions. So in the decision type of problems, we are going to check is the possibility is there or not. So I have a lock is there. So previously I told, right, is it possible to open that lock by yourself or not? So you have to give yes or no type of answer. Sir, optimized solution means what? Sir, I have two cities are there. Sir, how I can able to travel from one city to another city? N number of paths will be there. N number of paths will be there. So among that, which is the shortest path? The path which is taking less distance is the shortest path. So we have so many solutions are there. In that we are selecting only one solution. Enumerated means what? I need all possible cases. I need all possible cases like permutations or subsets. In such cases we have to print all solutions. Okay, so based on our type of a problem or based on our question, we can able to apply whichever you require, but all these three are in a single algorithm we can implement. So one is, if the decision we got, then we can print. Second one, we can print the optimal solution. And the third one, we can print all the solutions by removing some constraints. So this is nothing but intro to backtracking. I think, sir, you people got clear clarity about this introduction to backtracking. Everyone, can you please confirm any doubts in this? Please confirm everyone. Clear? Enumerations means list, sir. Pramod, sir. List all solutions it is going to return. Maximum we are going to do this one only in our program problems. Okay. Can we solve Fibonacci by using backtracking? No, no, no. The Fibonacci, no, maybe. Yeah, we can do that. No, it is not possible. I think so. It is not possible, sir. Yeah, Fibonacci will comes under some other. We will see that. Right. Sir, to inject this backtracking concept into your mind, I need to go with backtracking. Okay. With arrays. I will give some example so that you people will get full-fledged clarity. Direct program I am taking, sir. Backtracking with arrays. Now listen carefully. So what is my requirement here is, please listen carefully, friends. I have an array is there. Okay, I have an array is there. So what is that array here is, consider I have an array, integer array is there, where it is having some 5 elements are there. 5 elements are there. Now I want to print all these elements on the screen. Arrays dot to string of I am taking A. I am printing all the array elements. Sir, we know what output we are going to get. Okay. Let us check what output we are going to get here. So if I want to work with arrays, we have to import util package. It is mandatory. Perfect. Perfect. I got all the zeros. I got all the zeros. Okay. Sir, this is nothing but how we are going to get the array. Now my requirement is, I want to do some modification on the array. I want to do some modification on the array. Change array I'm calling by passing a comma. Okay, by passing a, I'm going to change the content. So I will define a public static void change function. So change array function, which is taking the given array. Sir, what is the index value that you need to change? And what is the new value that you want to change? Like that I'm giving. Assume in 0th location, I want to store 1. In 0th location, I want to store 1. So it is taking the 0th location and we have to update. How we are going to update? Sir, A of your index value will become value, sir. Your index will become the value which you have given. Now, sir, I'm going to call the same change array function by passing A in the place of index. Now I will add index plus 1. In the place of value, I am taking value plus 1. So that what will happen? So first element is assigned with, so 0th index is assigned with the value 1. So next time we are calling the same function where in the first index it will store 2. In the second index it will store 3. In the third index it will store 4. In the fourth index it will store 5. That's all right. We should not continue. We have to stop here itself. How we can able to get this stopping technique? Since we are using recursion here, I am going to write base condition. What is the base condition? Array boss, when you are checking if your I value is equal to, that means your index value is equal to, so array dot length. Once if it is matched, then so I'm going to return. I'm going to return. I'm going to return. Okay, that's all. And what about this process? This is nothing but our main logic and recursion. Recursion. I can say this is base condition. Can I write this one as recursion? Yes, that's all. Now, after doing this modification, I need to check the array, sir. That is my requirement. I need to check the array. Now let us see. Sir, I got updated array as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Can you please confirm? Is the concept is clear up to this? By using recursion, I am updating the array. Simple example, sir. There is no purpose for this. Just to explain recursion, I have written this code. Is this code is clear for you people? I am calling recursion every time. I am calling recursion every time. Now, sir, listen carefully. One more thing. Instead of printing this particular array here, once if the base condition is satisfied, I am going to print the array. Once if the base condition is satisfied, I am printing the array. Of course, don't worry, same output only we will get. Perfect. Now I want to explain this code for you people with the help of diagram. With the help of diagram, I want to explain this code. Sir, what is the code that I have taken? A of index will become the value. Then we are calling change array function. We are calling change array function by passing a index plus 1 and then value plus 1. Like this I passed. I have an array is there. I have an array is there with how many values, sir? With how many values? This is 0th location. This is the first location. This is the second location. This is the third location. This is the fourth location. First location 0, 1. So 2, 3, 4. Like this we have. Consider this is 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth location. And by default, whenever array got created, all these values are initialized with 0. Now I called change array function. I called change array function. Sir, a stack will be maintained or not? Yes, definitely a stack is going to be maintained for this purpose because it is a recursion. Okay, a stack will be maintained. How many frames will be there? I will write it later if it is required. As of now, I am taking 4 frames. Now listen carefully. Sir, first main function called this change array function by passing array and 0 comma value is nothing but 1. So I is equal to index value is equal to 0 and its value is nothing but 1. Index is equal to 0, value is nothing but 1. So index is 0, its value is updated to 1. Sir, next, after this, what will happen? After this, what will happen? I value, we are incrementing by 1. We are calling change array function one more time, where your index value will become previous index 0 plus 1, 1. And the value will become 1 plus 1 for the next time call, sir. For the next time call. Sir, it will be updated with 2. One more time it is going to call. So your I value will become 2 and your value will become 2 plus 1, 3. Yes, it is updated. One more time it is going to call where your I value will become 3 and your value will become 4. Next, your I value will become 4, your value will become 5. Is it updated or not? Yes. Next time what will happen? I is equal to 5. Listen carefully. Your index is equal to 5. Whenever your index matched with array length, I am printing the array and then I am using which statement, sir? Return. Okay, I am using return statement. Anyway, it will be returned. And while printing this array, what happened? So we got the value. Initial values are nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. After this updated array is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we got. Diagrammatically, how this recursion is happening, is it clear for you people? Everyone please confirm. Please respond everyone. Right. See now very, very important thing I am going to explain now. Listen carefully friends. Sir, this is a recursion call. After this, if you are writing any statement, sir, this statement is nothing but backtracking. Okay, this statement is nothing but backtracking. Any statement you can write, it comes under backtracking. Sir, here what step followed? I is equal to 5. With this, your answer you got. So that's why you are not going to disturb with answer. After that, what is happening? This reverse call is going to be happen like this, because it has to delete the values. Again reverse call, again reverse call, again reverse call, again reverse call. Sir, if you observe, in order traversal, when we are doing traversal in the tree, sir, what we have done, we have written only 3 lines of code. First, print the data. We will print the data. Left one gone means again it is a tree. So again 3 steps. So again 3 steps. But last step, at last it will execute, right? So this is called as backtracking, sir. This is called as backtracking. So here also every instruction is going to be executed in this direction. I want to show you physically, I mean logically, how it is going to work. Sir, I am going to write one beautiful function. What is that function? Is nothing but a of index will become a of index minus 2. Just for our understanding purpose I am taking, sir. First we will check how it is going to work. Sir, when I is equal to 5, our task completed. This entry will be removed from the stack. Then I is equal to 4. So when I is equal to 4, a of 4 is equal to, so a of 4 minus 2. What is the a of 4? 5. 5 minus 2, that means 3. That 3 is going to update in the array. Next, one more decrement. This entry will be removed. Now, what is the value of I? 3. A of 3 will become already available 3 minus 2. What is already available A of 3? 4. 4 minus 2 means 2. That value will be updated here. Sir, after this entry will be removed. I is equal to 2. So A of 2 minus 2. What is A of 2? 3. 3 minus 2 will become 1. This will be updated with 1. Okay. So next, your I value will become 1. So whenever it is 1, A of 1 is equal to A of 1 minus 2. A of 1 is what? 2. 2 minus 2 will become 0. This will be updated with 0. So now I am taking A of your I value will become 0 next time. So A of 0 will become, so A of 0 minus 2. Sir, A of 0 is 1. 1 minus 2 means minus 1. It will be updated with minus 1. Now, what is the latest array, sir? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Because of this return statement, we came out from this function, but still the function is executing. Because backtracking, it has to delete the all entries from the stack, right? So in such cases, it is doing this activity. But I need to cross check, really is it doing that activity or not? Sir, if I explain with a normal variable, you may not trust me. But since it is array, if you are doing any changes, okay, what will happen? Those changes will be updated. So after first I am printing the array value, we are getting 0, 0, 0. And in the change array function also, we are calling this. So here updated value we are getting. But after this, I mean, when the function execution completed, backtracking also will be executed. After this, I want to check really whether this updated value is coming or not. I want to cross check, which shows that proof backtracking concept. Sir, are you seeing minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I think, sir, now you people got clear clarity about what is mean by recursion, what is mean by backtracking. In the recursion, backtracking is there. The only thing is appropriate statement we have to put. Otherwise, nothing, sir. Okay. Got it clearly, friends? Everyone, please respond. Everyone, please respond. Clear? Chandan, how after return statement it will execute? Good question. Return statement is going to return the control. Control alone will be returned. But we are calling this a function, right? but this instruction is pending, right? This instruction is pending. So whenever we are calling first time, from main, the control will go here and it will execute all the instructions. From here, again, it is going to call this method. 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 Once if the condition is satisfied, it will come back. But this statement, so whatever you have written will execute. Okay, but maybe it is not going to print. Even if you print something here, it may not print. The reason for that is execution completed. This method execution completed, but after that it is going to execute remaining task. It may not print, but some tasks it is going to do, which is nothing but diagrammatically I explained in the stack frame. That is the reason why we need to go for this backtracking, sir. That is the hidden feature what we have. Chandan, got it? Yeah. Yeah, it will print. I think in the trees we have seen, right? Right. So this is nothing but the example program, a clear proof for this backtracking with arrays. Now, sir, slowly I need to take somewhat next level programs on this. So now I think you people got clarity about this backtracking principle. Now I want to find subsets. I want to find subsets of a string. Okay, find all subsets of the given string, all the subsets of given string. For example, if you take a string as ABC, what are the subsets of this string? Empty string itself is a subset, right? A, B, okay, C. Then AB is the subset. Then BC is the subset. Okay, next and after that, AC is the subset. Then ABC. So if you have a string with 3 characters, then so we have 2 power n subsets will be there. Okay, 2 power n. N is nothing but the length of the string. 2 power 3 means what? 8 subsets will be there. Suppose if you take A, B, C, D, 4, 2 power 4. What is the 2 power 4 value? I think 16 subsets we are going to get. Like that, we know mathematical formula, right? Now our task is what? We have to print all these subsets, sir. That is our main agenda now. Okay. Let us see how it will be. Maybe after explaining after explaining the diagram, if I go for code, then you people are going to get confused. First, I will take the code. Okay. So later I will go with implementation. Otherwise, first I will write the logic, sir, because yes. So consider I have a string is there like ABC. So in this ABC, if I want to select a subset, there are 2 options are there. Take the first character. A. Whether you need to include this character or you have to exclude the character. If I include the character, what will happen? I will get only A. Okay. Of course, BC will be there here. If you exclude A, then what will happen? Empty substring you are going to get. Then BC will be there. So in the string ABC, first step is what? I'm concentrating on A. If I select A, one answer we will get. If you are not selecting A, then this is the answer. Sir, again from this, I'm going to select B. What is the next character we have? B, because already A completed. So if you are selecting B, what will happen? If we are not selecting B, what will happen? Sir, if I select B, then what will be your result? AB will be there and C. If you are not selecting, then what will happen? A will be there. Okay, A will be there. And then C is, we are not talking about C. We are selecting only, already A is selected. So from that BC is there. In this B I am selecting. If I select B, AB. If I am not selecting B, only A. Again one more character is there. So here also yes or no. If I select C, your substring will become ABC. I mean your string will become ABC. If we are not selecting, only AB. Do we have any C? No, because we are not selecting. In this again we have two options are there. What is the option? Selection of C, not a selection. If you select C, what will happen? We are going to get AC. If we are not selecting, what will be your result? Only A. Right. Sir, up to this, you got idea at least something? Please confirm. Clear up to this? Please confirm everyone. Okay. Right. Now, in this again, we have two more options are there. Selection of B, not a selection of B. If you select B, then what will happen? You are going to get a B. Okay. If you are not selecting B, here C will be there. If you are not selecting B, then what will happen? Empty set will be there. Empty set will be there and C will be there. From this again two options. If you select C, what will happen? If you select C, we are going to get BC. If you are not selecting C, we are going to get B alone, right? And here also two cases. If you select C, then what will be result? It will become C. If you are not selecting, it will become empty. Sir, all the targets are reached right up to bottom we got. Now you can see, sir, ABC is one subset. AB is another subset. AC is another subset. A is another subset. BC another subset. B another subset. C another subset. Empty null value. These are nothing but subsets. We have to see how it is going to work in the practical. I will show you in the program how it will be. Sir, can you please confirm? Is it clear for you people? Everyone? Clear? Now, listen carefully. I am writing code for this. It's a sample code I am writing. Only two lines. One is, if we want to select, what we have to do. If you don't want to select, what we have to do. Sir, if you want to select, then I'm going to call the function. I'm going to call the function by passing your string and answer. Okay. And then index +1. So if you are selecting, okay, if we are selecting that string, if you are selecting that character, then you need to add that character here, sir. You need to add that character. See here, first time, what is the string? Your string is ABC. What is the index value, sir? 0. Now I am passing this 0. Sir, if you select, what will happen? If you select, what will happen? Your string should become A. Sir, your answer should become A. ABC is the original string. And answer plus character. Answer is initially empty. Empty plus character at index value A. Sir, we will get A. And then your index value will become 0 plus 1, 1. This is the method call for this. If you are not selecting, ABC will be there and empty string will be there, or your index is 1. This is for this one. Like that it is going to call. We have to place these two recursive call in your program, which will automatically extract the data. Now listen carefully. In the main string, I'm going to define the string s is equal to abc, and string, my answer is empty. My answer is empty string. Then can you please find subsets of this source string with this answer, or index value I'm going to pass with 0. Now we have to define public static void. So find substring, find subsets method. So which is receiving how many values? So it is taking string yes, and it is going to take a string answer, and it is going to take index value. Now, sir, we have to write the base condition, right? We will write base condition later. Okay, we will write base condition later. Next, if you select yes condition, we have to write. If you are not selecting, what will happen? Here we are not required to write backtracking. It will work automatically. How it is going to work, I will show you. Find subsets of. So we are going to pass the string and answer plus yes dot char at of index, and then we are going to pass index plus 1. If you select, if you are not selecting that particular string, then we are not going to add to that result. We are not going to add to that result. That's all. That's all, sir. Nothing more than this. What is the base condition? Or at any point of time, if your I is equal to s dot length, if your index value is equal to s dot length, then what we have to do? You got the solution. Try to print system dot out dot println of. You try to print the answer and then immediately return. I will execute this code and I will show you. Sir, we got all the matches right, but I want to show you practically how it is going to work. Okay, how it is going to work. I will take this function and I will demonstrate. One second. Right. Now, sir, I am taking the string as, listen carefully. The main string is nothing but what, sir? We have okay. Sir, we have main string is what? ABC. Like this I have. Now, listen my words carefully, how it is going to work. Listen my words carefully, how it is going to work. Okay. Sir, ABC, my answer is empty as of now. And what about index value? 0. Okay. Now, there are two choices are there for me. Because once if the function execution started, it will check. Is your index is equal to length of the string? Index is 0. Is it equal to the length? No. Then find subsets of, yes, your string will be there as it is. That is nothing but ABC, and answer plus s dot char at of index. Index is 0. In 0th location, which character is there? A. So empty string plus A will become A. This is your answer. Then index plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. This is one solution. What is another solution? First, this one only it is going to execute. This one at last it will execute. Okay. But just I am writing parallelly for you to understand. So what will happen? Only for this case I am writing ABC. Is there any change in the answer? No. What is the previous answer? Empty string, comma, index plus 1. That is 1. So which shows that from this diagram, we are selecting A. Here we are not selecting A. We are selecting A. We are not selecting A. We are talking about A. Sir, please confirm, is this first way, is it clear for you people? Is this first approach, is it clear for you people? Right. What is the second way? From this, sir, we called, okay, first we called which one? So string with index value 0. So from this, it is going to call index plus 1. Now we have index plus 1. Now index is 1. Is it equal to length? No. Again, it will call this find subsets method, right? Again, it will call, right? Now I am going to get two options in this case. This is the first option. This is the second option. In both the cases, we are incrementing index by 1 unit. So it will become 2. And here also it will become 2. But in one case, we are adding the character at index, sorry, the index 1. We are adding character at index 1. What is a character at index 1? B. So if you add that to string, your string will become AB. And original string as it is available. And here original string is ABC. We are not adding. So that what will happen? Your string will become A1. Like this we have. And for this also it will execute, right? For this also, sir, one case is nothing but what? Your string will be as it is available. And sir, here we are selecting the character at first location, which is nothing but a B, and index value is incremented. In another case, we are not selecting anything. Empty string will be there, but index is incremented by 1 unit. Now, sir, second time also completed. Third time, sir, what will happen? Your ABC will be available as it is. So we are going to select that second location character C. So it will add that into the string, which is nothing but ABC. Index plus 1 will become 3. Okay, index plus 1 will become 3. But what about if you are not selecting this ABC and then, sir, AB and then 3 will be there. In this case also two method calls. Second location C. If you select then ABC, comma, AC and then 3. So here ABC original string, sir, A alone we are going to get and index value will become 3. Right? So here we are getting AC and here we are getting A. What about this? So here we are selecting C. So your original string will become ABC. New string is nothing but BC. Length is 3. So here original string is ABC. You are not selecting this. That means B. And the string length is 3. I mean index value. So here also same case. Original string is ABC. And you are selecting second location. That means C. And then index plus 1. So here original string is ABC. We are not selecting. That means empty string length is 3. So in all these cases, what is the index value? 3, right? So that means termination stage. So it is going to terminate. What results we got here? Result answer is ABC. Here what is the answer that we got? AB. Here what is the answer that we got? AC. Here what is the answer that we got? A. Here what is the answer that we got? BC. Here what is the answer that we got? B. Here what is the answer that we got? C. Here what is the answer that we got? Empty line. Empty. That is means null. Like this we are printing, right? When who is printing this particular job? In the base condition, once if it is reached to length, I am printing. So this is actually how it is going to work, just for your understanding purpose. But internally how it is going to work? These many find subsets methods are not there. First it will execute this one, it will come here, it will execute this one, it will come here, it will execute this one, it will come here, then backtrack and execute this, and then backtrack and then backtrack and then execute this, and then execute this. So backtrack and then execute this, backtrack, again backtrack, again execute this. So again execute this, again execute this, backtrack. So again execute this, backtrack, again execute this, again execute this, and then backtrack, again execute this, backtrack. So backtrack. Like this it is going to call. Okay. I think so, sir. At least some overview you got very clearly about this backtracking. Sir, please confirm, is finding this subsets problem, is it clear for you people, everyone? Please respond. Pramod, good. I think you people got clear clarity, but in our answer, we are getting empty string. I will do some small modification here. What modification I can do? So here I will check the condition. If your answer dot length, okay, if your answer dot length is equal to 0, if answer dot length is equal to 0, then SOP of I will print null. Otherwise, I will print that answer. That will be cool, right? So that we can get null also as a result. Clear? This is the way how we can able to find out sum of subset problems, sir. Okay. Clear, friends? Can I go for the next problem? Please confirm.
So I have one question.
Please.
Question is, when do we know exactly when backtracking is applicable for a problem?
For every recursion, backtracking will internally work.
Okay.
But the thing is, in the recursion, see, I told in the very beginning itself, something like yes or no type. Once in the recursion, what we are doing, once if we got the value, we are stopping the process, right? If you see in the towers of Hanai also, once if you got the result, we are stopping the process. That is the mistake what we are doing in recursion. If you remove that process, if you write a few more instructions further, it will be executed. That is called as backtrack. Got it?
Got it. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Right. In the subset of problems also, you are going to get only one solution. But if you want multiple solutions, you have to call back again and again like that. In the recursion, internally backtracking is there. Backtracking is not a separate concept, sir. It is something like recursion only. But in the recursion, that small point we are missing. So internally, it will be storing the values in the stack, and that stack frame will be removed one by one in the backwards. But we have not introduced that in the program. Now we are doing that in the program. That's all. I think if you observe in the tree data structure, we are using this backtracking with recursion only. Almost all the programs are going to work with the help of this scenario only. You can see in the diagrams, sir. Here you got very clear clarity. Every time we are doing these activities only in the trees. Right. So next one, I'm going to implement a program to find permutations, of any string or number, anything you can take. I want to find out permutations. How you can able to do that? For example, if you take ABC, what are the permutations? ABC, ACB, BAC, so BCA, CAB, CBA, right? Formula is nothing but if you have n characters, n factorial is the result. N factorial is nothing but number of permutations. For example, here 3 factorial, 6 combinations we are to get. So here also we are going to implement backtracking only. First, I will explain that particular algorithm, I mean program, then I will go for implementation. So static void, so find permutations. I am taking a string and I am taking some answer also. Okay, and we have to write base condition. Here SR type no is not there because we are not selecting. We need all combinations. So I'm going to write recursion. First I will write recursion. So for integer I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length, because we have to group all the strings I plus plus. So character ch is equal to or current character. Current character is equal to s dot char at of I. Then string, my new string will become s dot substring of 0 comma I plus s dot substring of I plus 1. Okay. Now I am going to call find permutations by passing new string comma answer plus current character. That's all. So what is the base condition? Once if your string length, once if your string length is equal to 0, once if your string length is equal to 0, I want to stop this process by printing the answer. System.out.println of answer. I will explain, don't worry. And then I am going to return. So let us see how this algorithm is going to work. Now, so let us see how it is going to work, sir. Consider the string what we are passing is nothing but ABC. The string what we are passing is nothing but ABC. And then we have empty string is there. Okay. And then we have empty string is there. Sir, what is our requirement here? It is going to check, is your length is 0? Is this length is 0? No. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than string length, that is this length 3. Current character is equal to s dot current character of 0. In 0th location, which character is there? A. String, your new string will become find substring of 0 comma I value. What is the I value? 0, right? 0 comma 0. That means a substring. This is 0th location. This is 1 and this is 2. So since we are giving 0 comma 0, I think you are not going to get anything here. Okay. We are not going to get anything here. I think so. Substring of 0 comma 0. Is it going to return the data, sir? Can you please confirm? No, nothing will be written. Okay. So it is not going to return anything. Okay. And sir, your new string will become what? Empty, right? No, still continuation is there. So here we are getting empty string plus s dot substring of I plus 1. What is the I value? 0. 0 plus 1 means what? We are going to get BC, right? 1 to till end. So BC. Okay. Then, so what is your new string? Your new string is nothing but, so BC is your new string and your answer is nothing but what? For the current string, we have to add to the answer. My answer is empty. Now the answer is nothing but A because we added this one. Okay. So find the permutations of same function we are calling. This is nothing but how we got. Sir, BC and then A. Now this is nothing but your new string and this is nothing but your current string. So this one is going to execute one more time. But meanwhile, we are calling these permutations, right? So we are calling these permutations. It will be executed one more time. So it will be executed one more time. And this is for I is equal to 0 we executed. And the same thing will be there for I is equal to 1. Same thing will be there for I is equal to 2. Remember carefully. And for this again it is going to execute. This will become your original new string. Then what is the length of this string? 2. So that means for I is equal to 0 it will execute, and for I is equal to 1 also it will execute. I am executing for I is equal to 0. So your current string will become, your current character will become char at of I 0. In 0th location, which character is there? B is there. Substring, your new string will become substring of 0 comma I value is 0. 0 comma 0 means nothing. So next what will happen? 1, 0 plus 1, 1. From 1 to till end means we have only one substring is there, which is nothing but C. So next time your string will become C. Sir, what about your answer? New string is C. What about your answer? Answer plus current string. What is the answer here? A. So A plus current string is what? B. So AB will be there. For this I is equal to 1, what will happen? When I is equal to 1, current string will become 1, right? In first location 0, 1. We have C character is there. Then substring of 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means which character it will be selected? B. Okay, B will be selected. B plus, so 1 plus 1, 2. So from 2 we don't have any values. That's why it will return empty. Then, sir, your new string is nothing but what, sir? B. Your new string is nothing but what? B. What about answer? Your current character is there, right? Which is located at first location, which is nothing but C. That C will be added to the answer. That is nothing but AC will be your answer. Like this we are getting. Okay. So parallelly I executed both, sir. Now what will happen? Again it is going to call permutations. How many times? Until your string length will become 0. Now, sir, again it will be executed. So since that string length is nothing but 1, so 0 less than 1 is 1 less than 1 is false. So that means only one case will be there in this case. Only one case will be there here. And here also only one case. That case is nothing but because length, I am talking about length. So 0, I is equal to 0. And here also your I value is nothing but 0. So what about your current string? In this case, current string is nothing but C. Current character is nothing but C. Then substring of 0 comma 0. There is no substring. So 0 plus 1, 1. So here also we don't have any substring. So your new string will become empty here. So we have to add this current string C to current character to this answer, so that your string will become ABC, new string. And here same, right? Empty string we are going to get. So AC, your current character will become B. That's all. Since the character is empty, new length is 0. So it is going to print this string and it is going to print this string. Two combinations we got. Same way here also, if I execute, we will get two more combinations. So here also we are going to get two more combinations. Okay. And from this we will get one combination. From this we will get one combination. From this we will get one combination. From this we will get. So first subset, sorry, first permutation, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Like this we are going to get. I think if you traverse, you will get it. Sir, is the concept is clear for everyone? Please confirm. Is the concept is clear for everyone? You can trace it back, sir. Clear? Sir, everyone please respond. I will execute this code now. Let us see. So what we have to do, we need to call this find permutations function. Okay. By passing a string that is nothing but yes. And then your answer. Initially my answer is nothing but what, sir? Empty answer we have to pass, right? Empty answer I am going to pass. Sir, now let us execute this code. Sir, we got all combinations or not? Yes, perfectly we got. Suppose if I am giving A, B, C, D, then how many combinations? You can see we have almost 4 factorial, 24 combinations you can expect. Sir, in my name, how many combinations will be there? These many combinations we are going to get. All the combinations it is going to print. Okay. Like this we have, sir. Okay. I think you can check it later and you can trace at least the complete tree for this basic. Okay. Sir, I think you got clarity about how you can able to find permutations. Can you please confirm clear, friends? Okay. Yeah, I will share the images also. For all batches, I will share the image. There will be a folder in your images folder with name backtracking. There you can find all these images. Now, sir, I want to give introduction to n queens problem and then I will close the session. Anyway, tomorrow as usual at 7 o'clock we will meet. Maybe up to 8:30 like that I'm going to take. Okay. To finish this backtracking. In the backtracking, we are going to finish this n queens problem and then pseudocode. If not any other one application, 3 applications I will take. Sir, here I'm going to take, okay, here I'm going to take n queens problem. Sir, first I will explain with the 4 queens problem. Have a look once. Sir, first of all, what is this n queens problem? It is a chessboard, sir. N by n chessboard. N by n chessboard. In this, I have taken 4 by 4 chessboard. So here we have to place a queen on this chessboard. First, we should know what are the properties of this queen. Actually, this queen is having 3 important properties. It can move directly towards left or right. It can move directly towards left or right. It can move towards up or down directly. It can move either main diagonal or opposite diagonal directly. Consider we have a queen is there here. What is the movement of this queen? It can move in this direction. 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 Sir, is there any chance of this queen can be moved to this position? No. Is there any chance of moving into this position? No. So this position also not. This position also not. This position also not. Like this, we have a small queen is there. Sir, what is the problem with this? Sir, we have 4 by 4 chessboard is there. That is n by n. They have given 4 queens for you people because it is a 4 by 4. 4 queens are there. You need to arrange these 4 queens in this 4 by 4 chessboard where every queen in a single row, we have to place only 1 queen such that no 2 queens should collide with each other. That is the target. Now we can solve this by using backtracking only. So I'm not going for any programmatic approach today. Just I will explain overview. If you see the first queen I am going to take here. Okay, then I think no need to check because we don't have any other queens to collide. Second queen, can I place the second queen here? No, because collision will happen. There is no chance. Sir, can I take the queen here? No, because collision possibility is there. Can I take the queen here? Yes, collision is not there. No problem. First queen we place, second queen we place. Now third queen I am taking here. Is there any possibility? No, collision will occur. Sir, can I take here? No, because collision will occur. Can I take here? No, because collision will occur. Can I take here? No, because collision occur. Sir, have you observed? There is no proper place for the third queen. That is not correct. That is not correct. We have to move one step backward. Sir, instead of placing the queen here, can I place here? Yes. Now place the queen here. Collision is there. So remove from here. Can I place here? No problem. There is no collision. Now fourth queen, can I take here? No. Both sides collisions are there. Can I take here? No. Collision is there. Sir, can I take here? No. Collision is there. Sir, can I take here? No. Collision is there. So there is no place for this. Sir, here it is not possible. Can I take here? No. Collision. Sir, can I take here? No. Collision. That means second queen possibility is also wrong. Now try to change the first queen. Can I take here? Then here we can't take. So here we can't take. So here we can't take. We have to take here. Then next queen, can I take here? Yes, no collision. Okay. Next queen, can I take here? No collision. Can I take here? No, both the collisions are there. Sir, can I take here? Is there any collision? No. This is one solution. Sir, if you want, is this a solution is there or not? We will cross check. Okay. So 4 queens problem solution. Is it correct? Is it a solution for us? No. 1 minute, I will do one thing. Yeah, I think we have total 2 solutions are there for this problem. Observe carefully. Sir, what is the first solution that we got? Is it correct? Sir, queen in the second place and second queen fourth place. So third queen first place, fourth queen here. Sir, they are telling one more position is there. Let me check really is it happening? Second solution. So what we have to do in that second solution? So already we placed this queen in the first position. We have placed that queen in the second position also. Now what we have to do? We have to place this queen in third position. Sir, in the third position, yes, solution is there. Let me check. Okay, or else first I will check it in fourth position. Sir, can I take here? Yes. Then we can't take here. We can't take here. So can we take here? Yes. So we can't take here. We can't take here. We can't take here. We can't take here. Sir, can I take here? No possibility. Sir, can I take here? Yes. So then can I take here? No, 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 no. So then we have to take here? No. So we have to take here? No. So this possibility is not there. So if I take here, is there any possibility to take here? Yes. Sir, can I take here? No. So here, no. Here, no. Sir, here can we take? Yes. So here we can't take. Here, yes, we can take. Here we can't. Here we can't. Sir, is it correct? So first queen in third position. Okay. So second queen in first position. So third queen in fourth position. Sir, here you can able to see. Don't worry. Tomorrow we are going to write a program to print these solutions also. Okay. So I think you people got a physical overview. What is mean by 4 queens problem? How you can able to solve. Like that we can write for 5 queens problem, 5 by 5 chessboard. Okay, I think for 5 by 5 we are going to get how many cases, sir? We are going to get almost uh, 10 cases we are going to get. If not, just let me check. So in this, I will edit the program by taking n is equal to 5 and I will run the code. Let us check. We are going to get 10 solutions if I am correct. Have you observed? This is the first solution, second solution, third solution, fourth solution, fifth solution, sixth solution, seventh solution, eighth solution, ninth solution, 10th. Total 10. So if I take 8 by 8, if I take 8 by 8, have you observed how many solutions we got, man? Have you seen here? One second, one second. 92 solutions are there here. Okay, like this. Once if the places are increasing, more possibilities are there to come. Sir, I think you people got a clear clarity about this theoretical approach of n queens problem. Anyway, implementation we will discuss tomorrow. Clear up to this, friends? Please confirm everyone. Seems to be the problem is very complex, but solution is very simple. With the help of 3 functions, we are going to solve this. Those 3 functions also, every function 2 lines of code. So Sudoku solver, and then this 8 queens problem, that is for n queens problem. And then we have something like grid methods, grid problem. That 3 problems tomorrow we will discuss, so that backtracking will be finished, and I will give one assignment also. Okay. Right. So thank you. I will upload these notes, programs, and then these images for all these batches, like 7 a.m. batch, so 5 p.m. batch, and then 7 p.m. batch. For all these batches, I will upload. Okay. Now itself, you can download. And there is a problem with videos. So maybe it will take some 5 to 6 days time to resolve that. We are looking into that. Definitely it will be resolved. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, same timings, 7 o'clock. Up to 8 or 8:15, like that I will wind up. And continuously try to attend for this 1 week, sir. Maximum I will try to finish. Okay. Right. Thank you.